Orkley. With 30 years of experience, Orkley is one of the main European manufacturers of components for water heating, heating and domestic hot water systems, thermoelectric safety, solar installations and underfloor heating and cooling systems. Orkley belongs to the world's largest cooperative association, the Mondragon Corporation. Orkley Underfloor Heating and Cooling. The underfloor heating and cooling systems developed and manufactured by Orkley have major advantages over other heating systems. Enhanced comfort allows for more available space, greater energy savings and compatibility with renewable energies. Orkley also provides an all-round service for customers, from technical advice and customised design to the final installation. Preparing the installation. The floor must be perfectly level and totally clean, the installations complete and the partition walls plastered. Installing the distribution equipment. The distribution equipment must be fitted at a sufficient height to allow the pipes to be formed and easily joined to the distributor. Laying the polythene film. If the installation requires use of polythene film as a damp barrier, lay it over the entire floor surface, overlapping it onto the walls. Fitting the perimeter strip. The perimeter strip must run along all the walls, door frames, pillars and columns to protect them from the mortar and the final flooring finish. Make sure the strip is closely fitted to the wall. The protruding portion should be trimmed when the final flooring is installed. Fitting the insulation panels. First of all, fit a row of tongued and grooved panels along the wall of the room. Orkley's panel design enables quick installation and secure, efficient joining. On fitting the rest of the panels, ensure the floor is well sealed to prevent thermal bridges. Fitting the tube. Connect the tube to the distribution equipment using the tube attachment accessory. The accessory must be perfectly straight when it is inserted in the manifold to avoid pinching the seals. After attaching one end of the tube to the collector, fit it between the corresponding studs according to the project specifications. The bends in the circuit layout must not be very tight, as this could cause kinks in the tube. Finally, attach the other end of the tube to the return manifold. Filling the installation and pressure testing. The installation should be filled gradually, circuit by circuit. The air can be purged from the circuit using the drain valves. Before pouring the mortar, you must carry out a leak test to check the seal. Pouring the mortar. The mortar must contain no more than 5% air. When the mortar is poured, the temperature of both the mortar and the floor must be 5 degrees C or over. This temperature must be maintained for at least 3 days. Start pouring from the centre of each room and spread the mortar with care. Pour the mortar in all the rooms first, leaving the corridors until the end. During the pouring process, the tube should be pressurized so that the mortar will have room to expand when it sets. Expansion joints. There should be a maximum surface area of 40 square meters, or a maximum length of 8 meters between the expansion joints. They should also be placed in the doorways. Tubes crossing the expansion joints must be protected with a corrugated tube. Laying the flooring. Lay the flooring 28 days after pouring the mortar in accordance with the features of each coating type. Adjusting the installation. After the initial heating, the installation should be adjusted using the distribution equipment flow regulators. Adjust the flow in each circuit as defined for the project. Oakley was the first radiator valve manufacturer in Spain to be awarded ANOR certification, proving that both the project design and the materials used comply with the UNE EN 1264 standard for underfloor heating and cooling systems. Oakley manufactures its panels in different thicknesses to adapt to the requirements of any type of installation. Their main features are as follows: density, 30 kilograms per cubic meter, 15% more heat flow compared to other systems, excellent impact sound insulation. The Oakley guarantee. Oakley provides a totally free installer assistance service, including call-out of our technicians if required, to guarantee an efficient installation. The Oakley commitment. The Oakley guarantee is complemented by a warranty certificate for up to €2 million and a period of 15 years. Oakley, you can feel it.